guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. So today I have an unboxing for you, and you might be a bit confused by the title because I know I've already unboxed Look Fantastic this month. However, this is the other variation of this month's box. So I have been told in here. I have been approached by Look Fantastic and they asked if they could send me this in PR to unbox, and I am so excited, and I said yes please, thank you very much. So this has been sent to me for review. My mum's one she pays for, so if Look Fantastic continue to send me boxes, I won't be doing that one with my mum, but she can come along and be in more videos with me. But yeah, so this month there are two variations, and from what I understand I have got the other variation here to what my mum had. I will link the video for hers up here. If you are new here, Look Fantastic is a beauty box where depending on how long you subscribe for, you can get it for £13 a month, and the box is always worth £50 at least. Minimum is £50. And they don't always do variations, but this month there are two variations. So I am going to open it. I'm very excited. So yeah, it looks the same as the one my mum had. The boxes themselves are the same, it's just the contents that will differ. So this is the box. It's like this really pretty coral box. I do have a discount code which I'll put on the screen for you guys, and you can, let me check, I think you can get 10% off your first box on a 3, 6 or 12 month subscription plan, and I will leave the link down below for you guys that you need. But yeah, so the quote this month says, "Do more of what makes your soul radiate." That is the quote. You always get a quote on the inside of the box. And then you get your little beauty box edit magazine, and this tells you what the box is about. So this month is Radiance. It's a Radiance edition. It's 6 products curated to help you shine both inside and out. In this month's beauty box edit, we're bringing you an exclusive interview with Caudaly's founder, and that's what's in here. It's like a little magazine. You get all different bits and bobs in here, and then it also tells you what the products are and how much they are and how you're supposed to use them. So we will jump in. Got the box like this. Okay, so the first thing I've got is a Percy and Reed, and this is the Turn Up the Volume volumizing mousse. I love Percy and Reed's packaging. It's one of my favorites. So cool. And I need some volume in my hair. I'm always like doing that to try and make it bigger, because it's, well, that's very curly when it's natural. When it's straightened, it is very flat. So let's have a look and see how we use this. This is a 50ml and this is worth £8. Get long lasting volume with the help of this Percy and Reed volumizing mousse. Shake well before use. Dispense a golf ball size amount into the palm and rub through your hair from root to tip. Style as desired. So I don't know if you put it on, can you do it on dry hair? Towel dried hair. So next time I wash my hair I will use that. Next up I've got the Mio, and this is the sun drenched body wash. And this says, this is a mini worth £3.15 with a delightful citrusy scent and subtle shimmer running through. Deeply hydrate your skin with this Mio body wash. Formulate with fig extract and monk's pepper berry to give an instant soothing effect to both mind and body. Put it on in the shower and feel rejuvenated. So let's give it a sniff and see. Oh, it has, it's got little bits of glitter in it. Oh, pretty. Got a little gold glitter in it. Oh, it smells so nice. It literally just smells like if you get a fresh orange, and you know when you bite a fresh orange and you get the smell of your nose, that, oh, it's so nice. Orange is just like one of my favorite smells. That is awesome. I love that. Next I've got Ren, and it is an Ever Calm Global Protection Day Cream. Okay. And what do we say about the Wren? This is worth £10.20. Wren's best-selling protective moisturiser, perfect for sensitive skin. Blend of antioxidants and nourishing seed oils help protect your skin from dehydration and pollution, 2 contributing factors to visible aging. And we don't want visible aging. We want to stay looking young. I say like I'm looking young. I know I'm not. But that is because I'm approaching 40. But I'm all about the skincare. I need to use all the skincare to make me look less haggard. 3 Babies has done it. Next up, we've got an Ahava, and it is a Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. Ben steals all my hand cream. He has always got sore hands, especially since lockdown, with all the hand washing as well when he's out and about, because he works on sites and stuff. So he does steal my hand cream. This is £8, deeply hydrating and fast absorbing. These Ahava lotions smooth your skin, filled with minerals and antioxidants. Your body will feel revitalized, refreshed and restored. Perfect for sensitive skin, free from parabens, harsh synthetic ingredients. So yeah, this is the hand cream. I'm gonna have a little smell. Put it up here because I don't want to mix it with another one. Oh, it just smells really nice and clean. It smells like clean babies, to be honest. Really, really nice. I like that. Next, I've got Cordially, and it is a Vino Perfect Serum, a Radiant Serum Complexion Correcting. And this sells. This is worth £15.33, and it is a worldwide cult favourite, and for good reason. This Cordially facial serum is packed full of a word I can't pronounce, I'll put it on the screen, patented by Cordially themselves and 62 times more effective than vitamin C, scientifically proven to lighten dark spots in just 4 weeks. This is the same as in the other box, because my mum had this one in her box as well. So the 2 variants, this is the same, I think. It says that, I'm like 90% sure this is the same. Let me look. Yeah, this is the same, and the Mio is the same, and everything else is a variant of. And then the last thing is an Avant. And if you don't know what Avant is very expensive. It's shea butter, hyaluronic, sweet almond, vitamin B3, age nutri revive, deluxe hyaluronic acid, vivifying face and eye night cream. Well, that was a mouthful. This is just like a little mini one. That's what that looks like. And it says, this anti-aging moisturiser penetrates deep into your skin surface so you can awaken with a refreshed, more youthful complexion. Hyaluronic acid improves the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Seawater restores moisture and balances oil production. And vitamin B3 reduces large pores and dark pigment. That sounds amazing. Massage a small amount over your face and neck in circular motions after cleansing before you go to sleep. So that sounds like a lovely, lovely thing to use at night time. This little teeny tiny thing is worth £20. That's how expensive Avant is. So yeah, I'll be honest, I think my box was better than my mum's one, because there's 2 variants. She got more makeup and I got the skincare, and I love the skincare, so she's happy with her one. I'm very happy with my one. But yeah, so that is the items. I'll put on the screen how much it is worth. And I'll leave all the links that you guys need down below if you want to try a box for yourself. Thank you to Look Fantastic for sending me this box. It's really, really lovely of you, and I appreciate it a lot. If you guys like these kind of unboxing videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. I have a giveaway coming in the next few days, or it might even be up. If it is, I'll link it here. But yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.